Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about some indefinite integrals. Today we start with definite integrals. Definite integral as the limit of sum. So write down integration of a to b fx dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 HA whole into f of a plus x, f of a plus 2x, dot dot f of a plus nh, where HA is equal to b minus a by na. A is the upper limit, A is the lower limit, B is the upper limit. HA is equal to b minus a by n. So integral of a to b fx dx is equal to limit x tends to 0 x f of a plus x, f of a plus 2x, dot 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 f of a plus nh, where HA is equal to b minus a by n. A is the lower limit, b is called the upper limit. Using this formula, how can you integrate one examples? So write down one example. Integration of 0 to 2 x dx. Integration of 0 to 2 x dx. Here we write fx is equal to x, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. So HA can be found out b minus a by na, that is 2 minus 0 by na. So nh is equal to 2. nh is equal to 2. You remember, nh is equal to 2. Now we know that integration of 0 to fx dx, limit h tends to 0, HA, here it is f of a plus h, f of a plus 2x, dot dot f of a plus nh. Okay, now a is 0, put applying limit h tends to 0, here it is HA, f of 0 plus HA, f of 0 plus 2h, dot dot f of nh. In place of a, we have to put 0. Now the integral becomes integration of 0 to fx dx is equal to limit h tends to 0, here it is HA, f of x is equal to x. What is f of x? That is HA. Here it is 2x, dot dot dot, here it is nh. Okay, so now taking common h, limit h tends to 0, here it is h taking common, that is h square, here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n. We know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Write down. Limit h tends to 0. Here it is h square n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So here it is h square. Then we have to h multiplied with na, another h multiplied with this. We get limit h tends to 0. We get nh. Here it is nh plus h by 2. I am multiplying h in na, another h in this quantity, nh plus h. Now in place of nh, we have to put 2. Our limit h tends to 0 means h is equal to 0. You have to put here. In place of nh, you have to put 2. And in place of h, we have to put 0. So we get 2. Here it is 2 plus 0 by 2. So the answer is 2. So the limiting value is 2 here. Okay. So the integral value is coming out 2. So write down another question. Another question you have to write down. Limit integration of 0 to 2. Here it is x square dx. By using the definite integral as a limit of sum, how can you do it? So here fx is equal to x square. Write down fx is equal to x square. A is equal to 0. B is equal to 2. So h is equal to b minus a by na. That is 2 minus 0 by n. So nh is equal to 2. nh is equal to 2. nh is equal to 2. So we know that integration of 0 to x square dx can be written as limit h tends to 0 ha. Here it is f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, dot 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 f of a plus nh. Okay. So now limit h tends to 0. Here it is ha. In place of a, we have to put 0. F of ha, f of 2h, dot 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 f of nh. fx is equal to x square. What is f of x? That is h square. So limit h tends to 0. Here we get ha. Here it is h square. Here it is 2h whole square. Dot dot dot. Here it is nh whole square. nh whole square. So now in each term h square is taking common. Write down taking h square common. Integration of 0 root 2 x square dx can be written as limit h tends to 0. Here h square taking common means h cube. We get 1 square plus 2 square dot 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 n square. Okay, we know one formula. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot dot n square. That is one formula. 1 square plus 2 square dot 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 n square. Formula is n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. Okay, applying that formula here, limit h tends to 0. Here it is h cube, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, now here it is h to the power 3. Now one h is going here, another h multiplied with this term, another h multiplied with this term. So we get limit h tends to 0. Here it is nh, here it is nh plus ha, here it is 2nh plus h by 6. Now in place of nh we have to put 2. In place of h we have to put 0. So we get it is 2, here it is 2 plus 0, here it is 2 into 2 divided by 6. 2 into 6, that is 3. Here it is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, that is 8 by 3. So this is the answer of this question. Okay? So this is the answer of this question. Now let us take another example. Another example, we have to do it. Integration of 0 to 3 x cube dx. Now by using definite integral as the limit of sum, we have to work out these problems. Here fx is equal to s cube. Write down fx is equal to x cube. A equal to 0. B is equal to 3. H is equal to b minus a by na. So that is 3 minus 0 by na. So nh is equal to 3. nh is equal to 3. We know that integration of 0 to 3 x to the power 3 dx, limit h tends to 0. Here it is ha, f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, dot dot dot, f of a plus nh. Now in place of a we have to put 0, that is limit h tends to 0, h, here it is f of h, f of 2h, dot dot dot, f of nh. fx is equal to s cube. What is f of h? That is h cube. Write down limit h tends to 0. Here it is h cube plus 2h whole cube, dot dot dot, nh whole cube. Now you have to take h cube common. H cube common. So write down h cube taking common is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here it is h to the power 4th. Here we get 1 cube plus 2 cube, dot dot dot, it is n cube. Now we know that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, dot dot, n cube. We know one formula, 1 cube plus 2 cube, dot dot dot, n cube. n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So that is limit h tends to 0. Here it is h to the power 4th, n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now this can be written as limit h tends to 0. Here it is h to the power 4th. Here it is n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now h to the power 4 here. We get, this can be written as limit h tends to 0, here it is h square. Now multiplied here, another h square will multiply there. So this can be written as nh whole square. Here we get nh plus h whole square by 4. Now in place of nh we have to put 3. In place of h we have to put 0. So we get 3 square. Here it is 3 plus 0 whole square. That is 4. Here it is 9. Here it is also 9. That is by 4. 81 by 4. This is the answer of this question. Thank you to all for watching my videos. If you like my classes, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel.